Today, I will share with you one that can strengthen the spleen and nourish the stomach. Health soup that can nourish chi and nourish blood. It's super simple. Hello, everybody. And this is the kitchenette. Today, I would like to share with you the practice of a health soup. Let's take a look together. First, we prepare a washed apple, and I peel it off. Do not peel. Then we cut it into this thick slice. The nutritional value of apples is very high, rich in dietary fiber and various other nutrients. There is also a folk saying that an apple a day. What about usually? Let's eat more apples. Benefits for the body, hard to buy. After slicing, then I cut it into these thick filaments. Varieties of apples. Make decisions based on your preferences. Then change the knife and cut it into small particles like this. It can make the nutrients in the apple fully released. For apples, usually most friends choose to eat directly. In fact, eating apples directly is not suitable for everyone, especially friends with weak spleen and stomach. Apple is not recommended to be eaten directly. After all are cut, put it on the plate. Put it aside for later. Next, prepare a small piece of pumpkin. Remove the soil from the pumpkin. Cut the skin off. After peeling, we cut it into thick pieces like this. And we cut them into little strips. Same as cutting the apple just now. The nutritional value of pumpkin is very rich, suitable for all seasons, especially for older friends. It is a rare health food. Then change the knife and cut it into small cubes. When picking pumpkins, it is recommended that you try to choose a larger head, longer long pumpkin. Don't buy those green pumpkins. Golden pumpkin. It will taste more pink, waxy, and sweet. And most importantly, it has a different growth cycle. The nutritional value will also be higher. Cut it all into small cubes. Put it together with apple kernels. Next, prepare 3 more red dates. Wash the red dates with water. There is a folk saying that there are 3 dates one day. Jujube is a female friend's best friend. We can usually eat more. You will also feel more comfortable during those days. After washing, cut off the pulp with a kitchen knife. Pit removed. Red dates are known as walking iron. Therefore, it is particularly rich in iron. Cut it all into these little strips. Change the knife and cut it into granules. Dried red dates like this. It has a hard outer skin. So let's cut it a little thinner. Not only does it taste better, and it can make the red dates effective, and the active ingredients in the red dates can be made better to be released, easier to be absorbed and utilized by the body. For our middle-aged and elderly friends, it is also more convenient to eat. Cut it all into little pieces like this. Also put in a bowl for later use. Next, pour an appropriate amount of water into the casserole. Fire now. Then put our cut ingredients. Pour it all into the pot. Stir twice with a spoon. If it's winter, you can put a little brown sugar in. And now it's hot summer, so that's it. All other seasonings don't need to be put in anymore. Whether it's apples or red dates or a pumpkin, they are all very sweet, so there's no need to put anything here. After stirring twice, cover the pot. Bring it to a boil. After boiling, continue to cook for 10 minutes. Because of our apples and pumpkins, it's all very clear. So cook for 10 minutes. It's already very soft and rotten. Of course, if you want to eat something softer, you can extend the time to 15 minutes. And what about this minute technique? It starts timing after it boils. The next time to prepare a small bowl. Prepare another local egg. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Stir the eggs with chopsticks. Beat evenly. All whipped up like this. Put it aside for later. At this time, it's time to cook in a pot. Wrap the top of the lid with a piece of paper. Otherwise, it will be hot. Then take out the rice grains at home. Add a little glutinous rice to it. If the constitution is relatively hot, it is not recommended to add glutinous rice. If you usually have to drive to work, It is not recommended to add glutinous rice. Unless you eat glutinous rice at night, no need to add too much. Add 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Mix well. Let the inside of the pot open again. After the inside of the pot is opened again, we're now keeping the fire to a minimum. Be sure to keep the fire to a minimum, then stir just now. Then pour the egg liquid in. Stir with chopsticks while upside down. The egg flour stirred like this will be more beautiful. It will be more even. If a male friend eats it, we can also add a little wolfberry in. Other better effects can be achieved. It will be very good for our livelihood. Very friendly. As the saying goes, middle age is a last resort. Soaked wolfberry in thermos cup. Let's add a little wolfberry here, and the effect will be better. If you don't like wolfberry, don't put it here. The inside of the pot is opened again. Turn off the fire now. Like this. Is our health soup ready? The method is super simple, but it's not easy at all. It is the crystallization of our older generation. Usually, hands and feet are easy to get cold, or the spleen and stomach are not particularly good friends. We can all have a drink, especially with the dog days coming soon. This is the best time to maintain good health. Friends who like it can collect it and have a try. Now we can put it into a bowl. Especially our female friends. During the days when it was specially cooked, we can also eat. Use it for breakfast. Very good. It's nutritious and delicious. And most importantly, it's incredibly simple. I do this every time. I will eat it whether it is normal or in those days. Our week, just eat it for a few days. After a while, and you can get very noticeable changes. Let's taste the taste. It's hot. It's hot. We don't have any sugar in it at the moment, but it tastes so sweet. Pumpkin is also very pink and waxy, and the apples cooked in this way. The dietary fiber and nutrients in it, pectin and so on, have also been softened. Easier to digest, absorb, and utilize. Then it will not add to the burden on our spleen and stomach. Especially for middle-aged and elderly friends, is very friendly. After a while, you will reap the rewards. Let's take a look. The color of this soup, super beautiful. And for our male friends, I suggest you can usually add a little wolfberry to it. It is much better than directly soaking in water with wolfberry. So today I would like to share with you, for our spleen and stomach, there is also a health soup with better skin tone. Friends who like it can collect it and have a try. This is how you eat it. I told you in great detail. Interested friends, hurry up and try it. So this is the kitchenette. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. I like my videos. Remember to give me a free little heart. Thank you for your support. So that's it for our video sharing. Bye-bye in the next video.